Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guess where we are today? We are at the ocean in Santa Cruz, California. Who wants to learn how to knit? I thought this would be a fun place to teach you guys how to cast on. Alright, so I just climbed down from up there. We're gonna sit here on one of these rocks and teach you guys how to cast on. How fun is that? This is like one of my favorite places to come, so I hope you enjoy. So today we are going to be learning how to cast on with some Malabrigo Washted. Alright guys, let's do this. So the first thing we do is we make a slip knot, and the way I do that is I twist the yarn and then I bring this piece up through the loop. So I'm going to show you that again. I twist the yarn and then I bring this piece through the loop, and then I put it on my needle and I snug it up and I make like a slingshot. So this is like a slingshot shape. So you put both fingers through between the yarns, grab them down below. So it's kind of, excuse me, so it's kind of like a slingshot. And then I go up, and then I go down, and through here. And that's your first cast on stitch. Once again, your fingers are between the two strands. You grab the yarn down below, and you pull it back like a slingshot. You come up the thumb, down the finger, and through the loop. And once you get the hang of it, you'll keep your hands in that position. Up the thumb, down the finger, and through the loop. And you guys would not believe my setup here. I should have brought my tripod, but I've got you sort of propped up on my bag on my lap. So slingshot, up the thumb, down the finger, and through the loop. And look at this view. Let me know if you guys like this type of knitting tutorial. If you do, maybe we'll do more here at the beach. It's kind of chilly this morning. I think it's probably, I don't know, it might be about 50 degrees. It may still be in the 40s. But anyway, I just thought I would start teaching some knitting and sharing a little bit of the view around Santa Cruz to give a little more interest to the channel. I know most of you are probably here from watching me diamond paint, but yeah, I also knit, and I thought it would be nice to kind of incorporate both knitting and diamond painting together. And I did go ahead and start, I have another channel called Bay Area Knitter, and that's what I go by on Instagram as well. That's my main Instagram. So I think I'm going to start posting some just only knitting over on Bay Area Knitter if you guys want to follow that channel. And yeah, Let me show you guys one more time how I did this cast on, and we'll come back for another video and show you guys how to do the knit stitch. So let me sit you back down on my little purse here, prop you up again, and see if we can do this. So we go between the yarn, slingshot, up the thumb, down the finger, and through the loop. Up the thumb, down the finger, and through the loop. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe, because I'll be back with more knitting by the beach, and maybe some hiking as well. We'll go hiking and we'll do some knitting in the redwoods. So yeah, I thought this would be a fun way to teach you guys how to knit, and it gets me out of the house and shares a little bit of my scenery with you. Wow, today is such a clear day. You can see all the way across the bay. This is Monterey Bay, and we're standing just off of West Cliff Drive, or we're actually standing along West Cliff Drive in Santa Cruz, and you can see Monterey all the way across. If you guys can see the mountains on the other side, that's where Monterey is. Beautiful day today. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye, guys.